Yes, my friends, we were in quadratic equations. We had done till sum number 6. Let us look at sum number 7. Yes, my friends. Then, what does this say? Roots are real and equal. What a big thing. That means discriminant is 0. Learn to read. Please learn to read. Otherwise, sum is not difficult. He is using mathematical language. So, 0. B square minus 4AC is 0. Step number 1. Write discriminant is equal to 0. If they are equal and real. If. Second, write in standard form. No denominator. I keep reminding. One of the sum comes and these people all get confused. No denominator. Third, standard form. Fourth, write A, B, C. Fifth, calculate delta or discriminant. Okay? And then find the value whatever is asked. This is the steps, my friend. Let us have a look once again. Here, not standard form. Make it standard form. Okay? Don't start before standard form. Then, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substitute ABC and find the value. Now, my friends, I get here k is equal to 0 or k is equal to c. Remember, my friends, roots are real. So, cannot be 0. 0 is not a real number. Remember this. Your marks will go in the exam. 0 is not a real number. Okay? So, because our rule is equal and real, we cannot use this. Okay? So, only one root is found for that purpose. Be very, very careful, my friends. Okay? So, this is what was the trick in this. And people can't read real and equal. They say, how to do? How to do? Arey Baba, we made the table. Learn the. I just give you 4 lines of theory and you can't learn that. Please don't do maths. Okay? First, learn the theory. Theory will help you. And I don't give you the whole textbook. Only what I want and what is important. Okay? Let's see next sum. Exercise 2.6 gives us application. Why am I studying this chapter? What use is going to come to me here? Let us have a look. And this is your favorite where you always drown and you always cry because you never practice. Okay? You get frightened. Please have a look. Whatever is asked, find her present age. Whatever is asked, make it equal to x. Step number 1. Then condition 1, condition 2. Write the conditions and then solve. I will help you once again. First, product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence. So today Pragati is here. 2 years ago, 3 years hence. Minus and plus, her age will increase. This is today's age. Okay, 2 years ago, you were 2 years younger, so I have to minus. 3 years from now, you will be 3 years older. I have to add 3. So, product means multiply is 84. Then I get the equation. Make it in the standard form. Okay, find the root. Okay, by formula method. Age cannot be negative, my friends. Please remember, length cannot be negative. We can't have age being negative. My room is minus 6 meters. Don't make me laugh at you, my friends. Please be careful and write in the exam. That is not the solution. Look here. Now this is our favorite textbook. Sum of the squares of 2 consecutive natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. The sum in the textbook is wrong. Okay? It should be 2 consecutive even natural numbers. Even. Please add this. Otherwise the sum cannot be solved. Okay? Don't break your head. And don't tell me my teacher said. I am telling you with authority. Okay? So when I have 2, next number will be 4. So I have 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. I have a difference of 2. So number and add 2 are 2 consecutive numbers. There's no other way. You try and tell me. Okay. So when I take these, okay, and put it in a linear form, I use the formula method and I get the answer. But natural number cannot be, it's not an integer. What they were given me? Natural. Natural numbers cannot be negative. So please cancel that and accept only one, which is the answer. So I've given you tricks. Have a look, cannot be negative. Sometimes the sum is wrong. Please correct the sum, okay, so that you don't suffer. And then don't listen to anybody. If you have any problems, get in touch with us. Okay, we are responsible, we will answer. Okay, let us look at sum number 3. Now, if in the orange garden of Madhusudan, 150 orange trees are there. The tree in each row is 5 more than that in each column. Find the number of trees. So, he is having orange trees. I will draw the trees. Trees are there. He has got trees. We are not drawing complete trees, not a biology lecture. Okay. He is saying in each row, okay, if there is x in each column, this is x plus 5. So, you will have more like this. That is what he is saying. So, this is x plus 5. That is what he is telling my friend. So, if I have 10, I have 15. Okay. So, I must complete this jumble which he has given me. Okay. Number of trees is x. Number of tree is another 5 you add. Total number of trees row multiplied by column. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So, x into x plus 5. Frame the quadratic equation, my friends. So, x into x plus 5 is equal to 150. He has given the number of trees. Okay, row into column is number of trees. Don't forget, my friend. Okay, so x plus 5, I multiply, I get 150. That is how I form my equation, my friends, and that is how I solve it. So, the great boy, have a look. Imagine this in your mind first. Okay, think of this. So, I have in my class 4 rows and I have 5 benches. So, I have 20 students. 5, 10, 50, I have 5 rows, I have 20. Row into column will give you number of trees. Row into column of seats will give you number of students in the class. Use some brains, my friends. Okay, so not difficult. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Okay, and the sum of the reciprocal is this. Find their present ages. Now we take younger, Kishore is X, Vivek is older. So young, we will take X. Older is X plus how old he is. How older he is. So if Kishore is X, Vivek is 5 years more older. Reciprocal is 1 upon x plus 5. Make it ulta. Sum means plus, and sum is 1 upon 6. That is given, my friends. Okay. Now you will, this goes here, this goes here, this goes down. You can do it like this, and then equal to 1 upon 6. That's how we do, my friends. And so our thing is how you solve. You get a standard form. Don't begin before that. And then whether you do by factorization, whether you do by root method, we are not interested. Factorization small are easier. Factorization method for very small numbers very tedious, my friends. So age cannot be negative. Don't tell me that Kishore is -2 years old. Don't make me laugh. So please write that and take only positive ages. So this was the trick. Take younger equal to x always. Will make life easier. Okay? Then, Suyash scored 10 marks more in second test than the first. First 5 times the score of the second test is same as the square of the score in the first test. Find the score in the this square, that square, that square. Don't worry. First, find the score in the first test, Vx. Always what is asked is x, my friends. Second is 10 more. 10 more plus the 10. More means add. I have 2 rupees more. Give me plus 2. 5 times multiplied by 5. Okay? Is same as the square of the first. Square. So, I am reminding you. 5 times score of the second test is same as the square of the first test. Square of the first test. Be careful, my friend. Now I have written. Now you can check. Learn to write words into sums. Same means equal. 5 times multiply by 5. Score of the second. I have got on the third line x plus 10. Same means equal. First test. Score is written. First line x square. X square. From where you get. Everything is linear. Don't confuse, my friend. Make it standard form. Split. Find the factors. But score cannot be negative. They are not told us there is negative marking. So only take the positive score. And when they have asked you find his score, don't find his father's score also. Please find only what is asked, not what you like. Maths is not what you like. Okay? It's a directed science. So when direction is given, I find that also. You can do anything. You can drown yourself also. So don't try all that. When you act extra smart, you make your life difficult. Read the question. Answer has to be written. Okay? Let's look at so they're supposed to be difficult, but I find them so easy when I put it in a systematic manner. Kasam is make certain pots on daily basis. Production cost is 40 more than 10 times the number of pots. He makes in one day. If production cost is 600 in one day, and find how much one pot will cost and the number of pots he will make. What is the last thing? Number of pots. Call it X. Now, production cost is 40 more than 10 times, okay, the number of pots. Okay, my friends, 40 more than, okay, 10 times. So, this is how we form. Okay. Now, please have a look that this equation takes into account this statement. Production cost is, we have told us, okay, 40 more, okay, we have already 40 more than this, and number of pot. Cost per pot into number of pots is the production cost total. Don't forget, my friends, basic mathematics of 7th standard. So that is how I get this equation 600. Okay, then make it standard form, find the factorization. Now pot cannot be negative, I can't make pot with -2 rupees. Be careful and then write the answer. This is how I have explained to you. Be careful. Every word I have explained.